how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Now, the first thing you have to do is solve the white. And if you know how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, then you know how to solve the top white. It's the same algorithms. So I'll go ahead and do that. What I want to do in this case is move this white up here so that this blue will match this blue. And the algorithm for that is just right prime, bottom, right. Now we have the orange square and we want to put this white here. The reason we use this corner is because we've got two oranges and we've got the white here, and we want to flip this orange up here and the white up here. So algorithm for that is right prime, bottom, right. So now we have these three, the oranges and the blues all match. Now we just have the last white, and so we're going to move this up here, and to do that we're going to do right prime, bottom, right. That's the algorithm to solve the whites. And as you can see, we have the reds matching, we have the blues matching, we have the orange matching, and the greens matching. The next thing you want to do is flip the cube over and solve the yellows. So the algorithm for this is fairly simple. You're going to just keep doing this algorithm until all of the yellows are up top. And here you can see I have one yellow already, so I'm going to have that yellow face the bottom left. If you have no yellows up top, just hold the cube so that there's a yellow on the left side of the cube. If you have two yellows up top, then hold the cube so that your left thumb is touching a yellow that's facing you. But in this case, I have a yellow up here, so it has to be bottom left. And the algorithm that you're going to do is right, up, right prime, up, right, up, right prime. Okay, so now I have one yellow. I have to move it back to the bottom left, and I'm going to do the same algorithm. Now I have all four yellows. You see the white is still intact. So we have two sides done, and we don't have any of these other sides done. So the algorithm to get that is you're going to hold your cube so that your solved yellow is at the top. Now you're going to do this algorithm. Right prime, front face, right prime, back twice. So now you're going to have a yellow and two whites. Now the next algorithm will be right front and then right prime and then back twice. So you have two yellows and two whites. Sorry, two whites and two yellows. And you're gonna turn it so that, just twice, so that you have now the yellows and the whites. And here you could see we were able to solve a blue side. Now we have the yellow, the blue, and the white solved. Now we're going to repeat those algorithms until we get the rest of it solved. I'm going to hold the cube so that the yellow is on top, the white is on the bottom, and the blue is facing away from me. This is the solved side that we have. So your color might be red, green, or orange, but in my case it was blue that solved. Okay, so now we're going to do the algorithm again, which is right prime, right face, front face, sorry, right prime. And then we're going to do back twice. And again, we have the yellow and two whites. Now we're going to do right, front prime, so that we have the 2 yellows, and then we're going to do right prime. So you have 2 yellows, 2 whites, and then you're going to do back 2 times again. And so you have 2 yellows and 2 whites. Now we're just going to move right twice. So you have the yellow solved, the white is solved, and we are just going to move it so that you have the blue, the orange, and the green solved.